Okay, I'm about to do something that's totally out of my style and out of my comfort zone. So if you want to see what it is, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm Cats from K-Cats Arts. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new to my channel and just checking it out, please consider hitting that subscription below and that notification bell so that you're aware of when the next video comes up. I do lots of reviews, collaborations, drawings, paintings, whatever it might be that comes to my mind, I do it on this channel. So if you're into that, be sure to subscribe. So today, I'm going to work on just one of these canvas boards, which are like 50 cents at my local art store, which is Curry's. They go from 50 cents all the way up to like $5-6. It depends on what size you get. Now, I had previously did a draw or a painting on here when I first started, back into art and all that kind of stuff. I should have taken a picture of it. I might have a picture somewhere, but I decided to sand it down, put some gesso on it, and I'm going to create something. And with that, I think I'm going to do my Pintar markers, my big boys here, and probably the thin ones as well. If you don't know who Pintar is or what part Pintar is, they're basically an acrylic paint marker, very similar to Posca pens, and they are amazing. Super quality, great quality, as well as great prices. I will leave a link below so that you can get yours. So today I thought I would do something out of the ordinary, out of my comfort zone. So today I'm going to do a doodle. Yep, that's right. So there's lots of doodlers out there on YouTube. So many that I can't think on the top of my head, except for Vexx, because I really like it because he does it with Copic markers, as well as Tiana. I believe I'm saying that right. Again, I will link both of their channels below. Go check them out. Tiana is a little bit younger than Vexx, and she uses Pintar markers, and I thought, what a great idea. I'm going to give it a try and do some sort of doodle creation. And I was thinking kind of doing like, I don't know, summer theme, something like that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So if you're interested in seeing what happens to this blank board, keep on watching so that you can see how it turns out. guys, welcome back. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. I do want to apologize right off the bat that the darn camera, this silly iPhone is driving me nuts. Unfortunately, it's saying that I'm maxed in my memory, which I'm totally not, because every time I do filming of videos, I erase it and then erase it from that other file where it stores like your erase stuff. So there's nothing in there, but it's saying I can't film anymore. So there might be a hiatus right now until I figure out what's happening, if I can get another camera. Again, if you're out there and you're watching this and you want to donate a camera to me, I'm more than happy. Okay, so here is the finished piece. Oh my gosh. So in the video you weren't able to see me do the black part in the hair, but I did it the exact same way that I did in the navy when I was doing it originally. So I don't know if you can see that close enough. This was so much fun to create. It has like a Toki Doki, Doodly vibe. And my daughter kept on laughing because we were trying to figure out, who are these characters? What do they mean to you? And I'm like, I don't know. I just drew random things. Now, definitely, I am a Toki Doki lover. I have been for a very, very long time. Like, I have, like, little Toki Doki this. And I even have, like, this cool glove thing that's, like, all Toki Doki stuff. Like, I love Toki Doki. I even have a purse. Like, I can't help it. Like, that's so super cool. I totally forgot I had this. I'll probably use it in a video. But anyways, well, I guess I'll leave it on for this video. So, I don't know what they mean. Like, there's this black and white thing. Kind of reminds me of Beetlejuice. I used to love that cartoon and movie. I'm into cactuses, I guess. I don't know. And then we were trying to figure out like who each character was, and my daughter was saying, we came up like, this is my husband and this is her eating the cupcake. She said, this is me back here. And then I guess this is Bubblegum Girl, she was saying, when she was younger. Kind of has a resemblance, a little bit different. I guess Bubblegum Girl is more older in this one than this one, but yeah, I can see what she's talking about, and because I have the bubbles on the side, I guess she just assumed it was Bubblegum Girl. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll fix that after. So, yeah. So, I don't know, I just keep on saying so. I use the Pintar markers, all different sizes. I really focused on using the bigger ones because I tend not to use them, and they were super juicy, super easy to use. The silver does take a little bit longer time to dry, and just be careful because it does lift off, like it's all over my fingers basically, so I'm just going to touch up this little areas here, but totally outside my style. I hope you liked it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button below so that you're aware of when the next videos are here, and the notification bell obviously, and then follow me on Instagram, everybody, at KCatsArts, and if you need to reach me by email, you can reach me at kcatsart@gmail.com. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, so thank you so much. I know it was a long one. I will kind of speed through it, and I'm sorry that some of the parts are missing. And hopefully I will get a new camera. And just thank you for tuning in, everybody, and I appreciate all your love and support to everybody, and I'll let you know when the Patreon is up. And I think that's it. So remember, always one life, one love, one purpose. Go out today and do your art, and never let anybody take away your dreams, and follow your heart always. And God bless to every single person out here who is watching you. I hope He protects you and follows you every day of your life. Just thank you for everything, guys. Truly blessed by all your love and support. Love you guys. Bye. See you in the next video.